Mahatma Gandhi, the father of India's freedom. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, known around the world as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, a coastal town in present-day Gujarat, India. Raised in a devout Hindu household, he was taught the values of honesty, nonviolence, and discipline from an early age. These values would become central to his life and mission. At the age of 19, Gandhi traveled to London to study law at the Inner Temple. After completing his studies, he returned briefly to India before accepting a legal position in South Africa. It was there, amidst severe racial discrimination and injustice, that Gandhi experienced firsthand the oppression of marginalized communities. In 1893, after being thrown out of a train carriage for being a non-white passenger, Gandhi began a lifelong crusade against inequality. He lived in South Africa for 21 years, during which he developed his philosophy of satyagraha, a form of nonviolent resistance grounded in truth and moral courage. Returning to India in 1915, Gandhi quickly rose to prominence as a leader of the Indian independence movement. His unique approach to resistance, nonviolent civil disobedience, set him apart from other political activists. He organized peaceful protests, boycotts of British goods, and encouraged Indians to spin their own cloth, khadi, as a form of economic independence. One of his most iconic acts of defiance was the 1930 Salt March, a 240-mile trek to the Arabian Sea to protest the British monopoly on salt production and sales. Gandhi also worked tirelessly for social reform. He sought to eradicate the caste system, uplift the Dalits, whom he called Harijans, or Children of God, promote women's rights, and foster unity between Hindus and Muslims. His philosophy was deeply spiritual, rooted in Hindu principles but inclusive of all faiths. He believed in simple living, vegetarianism, and self-purification through fasting and prayer. Despite facing numerous imprisonments and enduring violence against his followers, Gandhi never wavered in his commitment to nonviolence. His leadership inspired millions of Indians to join the freedom struggle. After decades of struggle, India finally gained independence from British rule in 1947. However, the joy of freedom was overshadowed by the partition of the subcontinent into India and Pakistan, which led to widespread communal violence and the displacement of millions. Gandhi was deeply hurt by the bloodshed and dedicated his final months to promoting peace and reconciliation between communities. Tragically, on January 30th, 1948, while attending a prayer meeting in New Delhi, he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse, a Hindu nationalist who opposed his efforts to unite Hindus and Muslims. Mahatma Gandhi's legacy endures as a symbol of peace, justice, and the power of nonviolent resistance. His life inspired global leaders such as Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, and the Dalai Lama. Even today, his teachings continue to guide those who strive for equality and human dignity without the use of violence. Gandhi proved that one person's unwavering commitment to truth and nonviolence could bring about profound social and political change.